Hey everyone, and this is Dominique Barbie, of course, and today I'm going to go over a free Facebook traffic strategy. Yes, I said free. It is free to do this method, and this is exactly how I started. This is how I went from, getting maybe one like, one comment, no comments, to going to, like never seen to highly hunted for, okay? And I'm going to show you the strategy. So get a piece of paper and a pen and get ready to learn. All right, so what is the big picture with Facebook, okay? The big picture with Facebook is you want to build relationships because this causes people to want to join you, okay? You need to get to 2,000 to 5,000 friends in your niche, meaning that's, remember the targeted traffic word, who you engage with, okay? Meaning you like their posts, they like your posts, stuff like that. You don't just want to have a bunch of friends who nobody talks to you. Okay? When this happens and you create a business post, more people will see it. Okay? That's going to happen naturally. This is why if you're using your page for business, it needs to be public. The more eyes, the more sales. So many people who I see marketing their business is like they don't even have their post set to public. Okay, I know some people have their reasons, but if you're using that page for business, it needs to be public. So yeah, that's how people come to your page. That's how people see it. If you use the right combo of value, opportunity, lifestyle, etc., you will attract quality people, hence attraction marketing. If you're going through the training, you will know exactly how to post and what is attraction marketing, okay? Don't forget to watch that important video. It's very, very important. Okay? So one thing you want to know is Facebook hides your posts if they think you are not a high engager. If they don't see you liking and commenting on anything barely, maybe like 1 or 2 posts a day, that's why you have 1 or 2 likes. It's basically like the law of the world. What you give is what you receive. So if you're highly engaging and you're liking and commenting on a lot of people, if you do it over months and months and months, eventually Facebook is going to show your posts. They literally choose what posts they want to show, and they go by the ones with the most engagement. It's an algorithm, okay? So on top of people having such a low number of friends, it will cause them to have very low engagement and very low traffic. Say, for example, someone has about 400 to 1,000 friends, and then they barely engage. That means their page probably has like 1 or 2 likes because they barely ever engage on anyone else's, and they don't have a lot of friends. That may be why some people are struggling when they promote business posts all the time, and no one comments and no one engages with them, because this is the sum of why that's happening. So once you follow these strategies you are about to learn, you will see how I went from 2 likes and no comments every day to about 40 to 300 likes per post. I'm just going to give you an example of my page. That's me. Of course, you want to start off with a nice picture of yourself, okay? And a nice cover photo. This is very, attractive. People want to see what my page is about. You see, I have people all the time trying to contact me on my page because I can barely get to everyone. Okay, you see I have 80-something likes on this post, and I have almost 100 likes on this post, then 70-something, over 50, 40-something, almost 200 likes and almost 200 comments. I couldn't even get to everyone yet. Over 100 likes here. It's because I'm highly engaging, okay? And it's because, look at my friends. When I first started, I barely had any friends. Come on, let's get a clue. You see I have almost 5,000 friends, okay? If you look at my friends requests and you see the pending, I have almost 2,000 pending. You see right here, 2,500 pending items over here. Those are like people who are trying to be my friend. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get this type of results, okay? Now, the first thing is, all right, here's the steps. You want to set up your Facebook page for success. You want to make sure your posts are public. Your posts need to be public, okay? You need a nice picture of yourself smiling, okay, of you, because this is determining who's going to join you. People join people. They don't join pictures. They don't join pages that look weird. It needs to be a picture of you, not anyone else, okay? You. Your cover photo now can be of your family. You know, it could be of a nice island, something very attractive. This is going to set the tone for your page. This is how I first actually learned it. And as soon as I learned this, I changed my page immediately. And I got, just from doing this, I got more exposure. Okay, the number 2 thing is you want to follow the daily guide for social media. We have a guide in this training that's going to show you what to do every day. Okay, you definitely want to have 3 posts per day minimum. Okay. You want to have an opportunity post with a call to action, meaning at the end of the post, you want to let people know they need to comment info or something like that. You want to have value, okay? Lifestyle, you mean you, make vids, go live, etc. Go through the attraction marketing page, information, the training, so you can know exactly how to do this. I'm not going to go over this because we have this in a separate training. Next, you want to post in 10 to 30 plus work from home groups daily with your capture page link and join new ones. Basically, what you want to do is just type in a group. And you want to click join. Join about 10, 20 groups a day. Click join. Once you join, what you want to do is you can post in here. And that's over 200,000 people in here that you can basically, you know, get in touch with. You can also go here and start adding these people as friends. Okay, remember, you want to have friends on your page who are interested in what you're interested in. That's making money online. So you want to type like work from home, moms, stuff like that. Okay? And then you want to go and start liking these people's posts because they're going to be nosy, and then they're going to want to see who you are. You also want to like the comments and stuff like that as well. And like I said, you want to get these people to be your friends because you need a lot of friends who are targeted friends, not just anyone, people who are bosses. Then you want to go to your page and start liking and commenting. Just like, comment. Like, comment, and then also like the people in the comments because they're going to be nosy. They're going to want to see who you are, blah, blah, blah. All right, that's going to start getting you exposure if you do that every day, okay? All right, the next thing that you want to do is you want to like and comment on 5 to 10 plus people posts per hour, groups in your home page like I just showed you. Okay. Also, you want to add 5 to new people. You want to add 5 to 10 new people. Okay. A day, like I said, go through those groups and add those people. You want to engage with 5 to 10 current friends. Go catch up on old friends. Send them a message. Say hi, how you doing? Like and comment on their page. This is going to cause them to check your page. So when you make your business post, they'll see it. Okay. You want to also follow up with 5 to 10 plus people and respond to messages. You want to engage with people on your page after you post. Like when you make a post, you want to like your post, and then you want to also reply to the comments, etc. Okay? An important thing that you want to know, that you do not want to message, add, join, like, comment, etc. too fast. Okay? Don't do anything too fast. I don't want you to go into Facebook jail and blame me. Okay, Facebook will put you in jail. So go slow and don't do more than like 10, 20 people too fast. You know what I mean? Okay. Be sure to go through the attraction marketing training to get great content to post. Okay. We have autopilot tools. Click the links below so you can get your information on autopilot. We have an auto poster, stuff like that. And it says, thanks, that's it. This may seem simple, but consistency can get you to 1,000 to 10,000 plus or more per month. And just like I did, so enjoy the rest of the training. Bye.